In this video, I will guide you on how to change fonts in Roblox Mobile. First, you want to close the Roblox app, then launch open settings on your device. Here, tap on display, then find the option of font size and style, tap on it. Then tap on font style. Now go ahead and select your preferred font style from here. You can also tap on download fonts and download your preferred font from here. Once you have selected it, this is how it's going to look like. After that, you want to completely close Roblox. Now go ahead and restart your device. After your device turns back on, you want to open Roblox and check whether the font has changed. Keep in mind that changing your device's system font doesn't necessarily change Roblox in-game font, but it might change in some devices. Remember that there is no way to change font inside the Roblox app itself, so this is the only way how you can change the font. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.